See, helmet. Today we are going to start. The topics is our conducting security assessments. This is our topic today. So we are going to start this topic. Here we have that is in your security plus. The point is coming here. Assessment is there. Vulnerability we have discussed already. Remember in the first class how to access the vulnerability. Like you have to the kinds of penetration testing. You have to do the pen test. With the pen test, you will find the vulnerability. Okay. So see here, it's written here. Implement the penetration testing already. It's defined here. Understood? So these things is coming here inside the security assessments, right? Then after we are coming, the next point is coming here. I am coming to the host vulnerability. What is telling you the host vulnerability? Host vulnerability is very much important here. The topic is host. Like in the host I'm talking about, the Saurabh is sitting. Or Saurabh is one company have. My company have A2S networking.com. Okay. Inside my company have, you can say the server is there. You can say the documents are there. Important documents are there. Understood or not?
Hello.
Yeah, my sound is clear. My sound is clear. Hello. Hello. Helmets, you are getting my sound. My sound is clear, helmets. Am I audible? Just a minute. Hello, am I audible, helmets? Am I audible?
Hello. Can hear you.
Yeah, yeah. Sound is coming, right? Sound is clear. Hello. Sound is clear.
Hello.
Sound is clear. Hello. Okay. Right now it's clear. My sound. Sound is clear.
Okay, it's now that I'm getting. I
Okay,
did not
fine.
hear anything on host vulnerabilities.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. What you do? No, you mute it. Okay. See here, what is coming here? The point says the I was talking about that my company is a2snetworking.com and that have the server is there, documents is there, some important companies have the documents is there. Then after you will find inside that companies have their, you can say that systems are there. Inside that systems, inside that systems, inside that systems we can use the operating systems is there. We have the, you can say firewall is there, right? We have the firewall is there, we have the routers are there to connect with the internet. Edge device, that is called edge device is there. So these are the facilities coming inside that one organization. When I'm talking about one organization, that basic organization or startup organization, they have all kinds of facility you will find there. Understood? That kinds of, you can say the devices they can implement inside your their organization. That point is coming in the host vulnerability. So what is happening inside the host vulnerability is telling you some kinds of vulnerability inside your operating system, that is in the software not upgraded, some kinds of vulnerability inside your hardware that is not upgraded, kinds of that. Through that, attacker is attack on your organization. So the same thing is coming, same thing is explaining here, same thing is explaining you here. Just a minute, you will find here what it is telling you. The underlying operating system platform directly afford the host vulnerability. I told you operating system platform. What is the meaning of operating system? That means it is not updated, updated, or you can say upgraded. First point. Next is telling you how the OS of platform is configured to the crucial. That is very much important. So that operating system is compatible. That point is coming here. Compatible, compatible or not, according to your organization. Organization. Like you need a Linux platform because you are using kinds of more ethical parts. So for that, your Windows is not more sufficient. Are you getting my points? So this thing is coming here inside your crucial. Second point is telling you when we are talking about the operating system, what is telling you? What services running program install security settings enabled? I told you already. Configured compromise the state of the host. Sometime what happened? See here, some kinds of operate inside the operating system. Like now, I'm using Windows here. For Windows, some kinds of tools I'm installing directly. It will tell you to disable your antivirus or disable your firewall. That means they are giving you, we create a vulnerability, creating a vulnerability to the attacker come inside your organization. Same thing is telling you what services running. Services light, maybe I am telling you GNS3 or kinds of E, NG. There you have to compromise. You have to disable something. Understood or not? Your security perspective. Then after telling you to configuration compromise the state of host. Are you getting? Helmets, are you getting what I'm explaining here? Leaving a host with default configuration often insufficient. That point is telling you like default configuration sometimes what happened. Let me explain you. This is one operating system is came. Okay, in that operating system you don't have antivirus is there. Antivirus is there. Understood or not? In that operating system, your firewall is not sufficient. Your firewall is not sufficient, not support. You can say not supporting to protect from the attacker. So for that part, what we are doing inside the company, we are talking about inside the company, we will purchase from the vendors. From the vendors, what we are doing, we are purchasing the what? The outside firewalls. Outside firewalls like outside vendors firewalls like Cisco. We have we have Palo Alto. We have some other devices like Checkpoint is there. We have FortiGate is there. So these are the highly recommended firewall. These are protecting you from the outside kinds of attack. Understood? Even inside your Microsoft or inside your operating system, you will find there that the firewall is there. This will be help you to protect. But sometimes that kinds of attack is coming. Sometimes you have to compromise for the attacks. You have to compromise for the security, not for the attack. You have to For that time, what happened? This kinds of firewall is providing you the security, because inside that firewall you have getting a facility more facility you will get there. Kinds of, you have the IPS, intrusion prevention system, or IDS, intrusion detection system. These kinds of flavor you will get inside these kinds of firewall. You understood my point, helmets? Clear? Then after I am coming on the next point is here. See here, leaving a host by default. That's what I'm telling you. Custom configuration are necessary. That's why I'm telling you custom configuration. That thing's explained here. I already explained. So don't go with your default configuration. Understood? When we purchase a firewall, just supposed to be purchase the Palo Alto firewall, just supposed to be have to purchase the Cisco firewall. By default, their username and password is same. By default, username and password is same. Understood or not? So for that purpose, we have to change the password. We have to create a hash password. Understood or not? We have to give the more security there. We have to provide our IP range. By default, it will be work on the class C IP range, like from the 192.168.1.0 network. But if the requirement is there from the ISP have provided you, the IP range is from the 172.250 251 dot something 3.86. By default is your this one. You have to change. You have to come and change from here to here. That things is telling you custom is required there. What is necessary, what is your organization requirement is there, you have to change the your uh, host or kinds of your like no organizations assets, you can say that assets according to your requirements. That is the things is coming inside that. Okay, next point is telling you attackers will exploit this weakness. Understood or not? So what you have to do, it should be more secure. Create a more security custom inside your custom categories. Inside your custom categories, you have to provide more security. Next is telling you, next point is coming here. You will find here examples failing to disable telnet can be laid in the man in middle attack. So many things is coming inside that. If you do the telnet sessions is there, telnet. Understood or not? Inside the telnet, what is happening? You're not get back. Like if you are doing the telnet sessions, I will show you here. Just see here. If I'm doing the telnet sessions one lab, I will show you. Just see here. See here one lab. Let me show you one lab to you. Come and see the lab. One lab I'm showing you here. See here. Inside that lab, what I'm doing, I took one from here. Okay, that is what we do. Okay, that part is not there. I have deleted this one. Because of that only it is not working. Wait a minute. What I will do, let me open it. What I will do here, I will show you that examples of the telnet session what happening. Let it be open. Just I'm coming on the next part of your slides. Next is coming here, third point. It is telling you software vulnerability. I was talking you, remember that software vulnerability and hardware right now. That is coming on the software vulnerability. Software vulnerability you have here, that's 0-day. That is this points is coming either handling resource, then after this conditions, and then after memory vulnerability. What is coming here? Just I'm coming and I'm explaining you this part. Let me come on that first here. My lab. Let it be open. Okay, let it be open. What is happening? See, in the 0-day attack, when you are coming on the 0-day attack, you will find exploits before vulnerability to publicly known. What is happened? It is zero-day attack is like, no, it's very crucial attacks inside your organization. So zero-day attack is giving you the information on that what some kinds of attack is coming inside your organization, but you should not have. That's the security departments have not idea about that security, that kinds of attack is happened inside the organization. For that purpose, what happened? This attack is came here, and whatever the important important informations will be come out inside outside to the organization. That is called known as your zero-day attack. So zero-day attack is it is a famous attack inside the you will say on the organization part inside the organization, or through the attacker's part. It is very much famous. What has happened? It will be giving you the effects on the often magnified and longer lasting. It will take time to you can say the resolve or to do sort out from the zero-day attack. So this is very famous attack inside the software vulnerability. Software, I was talking about the software vulnerability, not inside the hardware. So what happened? Something like, no, inside your software, that is not the patch you're calling, that is not patch. You have not given the patch for that software, or that your license is expired. Sometimes what happened that you have the license, and without license, whatever the license you took from the company, that license is expired. After it, what happened? That kinds of attacks come inside your organization. Then after that, the vulnerability attacks and that kinds of exploit of the organization assets on the outside, you can say. So that point is coming on the due data act. Then after the coming on the next point is called the improper input handling. That is very much important. Sometimes what happen, you have no idea about how to handling inside the your that software, you can say, like, no, that your kinds of that firewall. What is the operating system you are using inside the firewall? How to work on the firewall? What is the operating system that firewall using, that your router is using, what the IPS is using? You have no idea on that, and that as a freshers you joined, and then after the company have given you the complete authentication that you should properly use that kinds of that you can say that the hardware, or like inside the hardware, that software, and then after it will be used and you have no idea that the commands utilization inside that software. So on that time, what happened? That is called up improper handling. So you don't know the commands how to rectify. That is the troubleshooting is very much important inside of your that software vulnerability. That point is coming here. Then after coming on the improper error handling, like that is the very much important. The expertise or experts are coming for the error handling part. That is very much important. I'm talking on that. The improper handling, like you don't know how to troubleshoot. That's very much important. If you don't do the troubleshooting part, you cannot handle the kinds of attack. Like kinds of attack is like the zero day attack is came, or like the man in middle attack is there, and you have no idea. Like the VPN fail is there. VPN is very much important. Like you have established a VPN from your organization to the other organization. Like this is you. You are sitting in the USA, and I'm sitting in the India in the Bangalore, and here like the ISP have provided you the VPN from here to here. That's connections between me and you. Then after what happened, like one place like from your side, that is the connection is failed, or maybe supposed to be my side the connection is failed, and you are continuously sending the message, right? What happened, that message should be eavesdrop. That message should be eavesdrop from here to here. So what happened? Whatever the message, like, no, the encrypted message or whatever kinds of message you are sending, it message will be eavesdrop, and then after the man, if someone is there inside the organization or in the middle of the organization, they can get access of the masses. That is known as your improper handling. So you should know about, you should have to use the keep alive message is very much important in the Cisco or like kinds of some other vendors, or some kinds of other VPN they are using that keep alive message. After of like the threshold time is there, like I'm sending you the message, after that like 5 second or second 6 second, that message disappear if it not reach, if I'm not getting the response from your side. That is known as your improper error handling. Then resource exhaustions, that is very much important. I'm coming on this point also. Let me show you in lab that the 10 lit sessions was talking about you. So I'm coming on that 10 lit sessions lab. Wait a minute, this is open. I have the IP address I'm getting, that is my 192.168.225.85. Let me check it out. That is my 192.168. 225.85. This is my IP address to open. See, the lab is open. Then after what I'll do, I'm coming down. I use it. I have done. No need to save it. See here, I came here. I'll come on the home. I have the lab is there. I'll come on the lab. That I'm going to open it. What I'll do, just I will delete this lab. I have deleted this one also. I have deleted this one also. And I have deleted this one also. That things I have deleted. What I'll do, just see here at telnet. What is happening inside the telnet? I'll come inside the node part. I took the node here. Then after I'll come here. I have that. You will find that lots of vendors devices already. I have that Cisco. You will find Arista. I have Checkpoint is there. Then after ICE is there. Cisco IPS is there. Nexus is there. Then after that SourceFire. Uh, we have here F5 load balancer is there. Fortinet firewall is there. So I'm coming. I'll take one. That Cisco router. I took this one. And what I will do, I'll be come down. I'll save it. And after I'll took this one. What I will do, I have to connect with the other routers. For that, what I will do, I will come the network part. I took the network here. The network name I will give the net one. Okay, and that is the breeze, or you can say anything. You can give the name. Okay, that is better. I'll be use the breeze. Save it. Then after I'll take the other router 3725. I took here the other routers here. That is it should come down. I took this one. I'll come down here. Sorry. Nodes 3725. I have saved this one also. Then after what I will do, I will go to connect it. So what I will do, I will come in the edit sections, and then after the interfaces, I will come inside the interfaces F0/0. I need to connect with what? That is net one. I have connected with this net one, save it. And then after what happened, that the other routers is also going to connect with the this one. Edit sections, I will come on the interfaces part. I came here, and then after F0/0 is coming and connect with the net one. And I have saved it this one. So both router is saved. Then after what I will do, I will start this one. In the place of this, I will come here. I will come down. See here, manage part is there. Inside manage part, I have started this router, and then after I will become the 725. And what I will do, I will come on the, and I started these two routers. You'll find these two routers is started, right? See here, that signal is for started. Then after what I will do, I will take the CLI of this. It's came the CLI for that. Okay, let it be open. Let me open this part. See here, that router is there. I will give the name as of this router is. I'm giving the host name is router one. I have given here R1. Okay. Then after I'll come on the router 2. This is also open. I'll give the host name is router 2. R2 I have given here. So let me configure on R1 first. This is R1. I'll give as interface F0/0. IP address I will give 10.55.255.255.0. That lab I am showing you on the Cisco device. Then after no shutdown, I will do exit. Okay. Then after I will come on the R2. This is my R2. Same network I'll do interface F0/0. IP address is 10 dot sorry dot dot 255.255.0. Then after I have shutdown, then after I have exit. Okay, and I will create a telnet session. For that, what I will do, line vty04 and password I will create here Cisco. Fine. Come here. Then after from R1, what you do, exit, and you do try to telnet 10.11.2. Understood? It is asking you for password. See, it is asking you for password, encrypted password. You cannot see the password. So I have given here. You are inside the R2. If you want to see who is the user, show you show users. That is showing you. Location is not coming here. It should be show you the location that R1 is coming inside that. You understood my point? See here. That is coming 10.11.11.1. Means R1 is access to the R2. So that is the telnet session. So that things is coming inside that. What it is telling you, see here, you will find here that where I was in this slide, I was here. See here, telnet can be lead to manage the Mandela attack. What happens sometimes telnet sessions is like you don't have the password and you are continuously trying to reach to the destination part. For that purpose, what happened? There you will find there you will find what there you will find man in the middle attack. I shown you the lab also. You understood my point? Clear? Then after I am coming on the next point here, next sessions is your this one. See here, this all things I explained. Okay, resources accession. Software does not restrict access to the resources. Very much important. What happens sometimes, like no, I told you already. Like if need default, before that I explain you default. When you purchase default or custom, your devices should become your resources should be compatible with the custom implementation. That's what it is telling you. Restrict access to the does not restrict access to the resources. Too much resources consumptions leads to crashes. This thing is also very much important. Like if you are downloading and if you are doing so many applications inside your operating system, maybe it should be crash. So you should know, you have to knowledge about that the software what you are installing inside of your operating system, that is more compatible. Same kinds of software should not be installed inside your operating system, inside your servers, or inside your like kinds of the like devices what you are using there. That is very much important. That finds coming inside your resource act options. Then after I'm coming the race race condition is very much important. What is telling me that is the time leading. Like whatever the time should be there to reach to the destination, it should be very much important. like its events fails to execute to the order in the timing intended. What is telling you, like what is the timing is giving, like from my side to your side, that should be see here. If you want to see that telnet session is taking some times, let me come here. That's that time you are getting here. See guys, all of you see here what is telling you, that time ideal timing is there. Okay, so it should not be exhaust. That is the point is coming inside that it should not be exhaust. The proper time it should be reached there to the destination. The destination is my R2. You understood my point? That I'm talking about, I'm in the R1 and I reach to the R2 to the other end. My Saurav is sitting here and he is reaching to from the India to where? I'm from here, India to USA. You understood my point? USA, Helmet is sitting. You understood my point? So that the time limit is there, that ideal timing is there. That ideal timing is there. That is very much important. That point is telling you inside that the security perspectives also. Clear? You should come here. Let me come to your point. This point is coming race conditions. Then after memory vulnerability is very much important. Uh, that point is giving you the information about if your that memory is there, right? No RAM, ROM, that all points is coming. So sometimes what happened that should not be leaked, should not be leaked from the third party or somewhere. Like you have your memory is there inside the cloud, or somewhere you have saved your all document. It should not be leaked, or inside the data center. You heard about the data center is also very much important in days. Like everyone is you putting everything here, their information in the data center or otherwise inside the cloud. So your flight should be more secure. That part is coming here. Understood? So memory leak. How the memory vulnerability? The cloud is leak. That is memory leak. Buffer overflow. Buffer overflow is like your packet size is there. TCP packet size is there. UDP packet size is there. If it will be that stack overflow, if that will be overflow, like that is the way, like no 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is the packet flow from one end to other end, like no. And then after what happened, it is continuously DOS attack or DDoS attack. What they are doing, I shown you, like they are continuously using some kinds of software and continuously sent to the server, and server have some capacity, you can say server have some capacity to holding the, you can say that your information, maybe the mac informations, or maybe that like if you are coming to the L3, that's your IP's informations on site there. So what is happening that if the mac is going, mac is mac table or cam table, they all have the some capacity. After that it should be overflow. That should be, you should know about, that is memory vulnerability. So you should know about it. It should be protected. That's what I'm telling you. It should be protected. Understood my point? It should be protected. Then after integer overflow, that all points is coming inside that pointed the this points is coming, and then after DLL injection, this is one kind of attack is there. So that is coming inside your software vulnerability. Are you there? So this points is coming. So up to here we have
Yes.
done. Yeah, up to here we have done. Okay. Tomorrow we will come. This all explanation I have given you. That lab also I have given you. This labs and all things I have explained you. Remember or not? So what I will do? See, just a minute. What I will do? This part I'm sending you. Okay. Then after tomorrow, encryption vulnerability, we will see encryption vulnerability. How I told you already, like I'm sending one message right now. Sorry, what is happening? Let me delete it.
Yeah, can you send me all the slides so I can be
Ha ha
studying
ha
them
ha
well?
ha ha. I'm sending you slides. Okay.
Okay,
So what
thank
you do? No, one by one slides I'm sending you. This slides today I'm sending you. You should study, and then after tomorrow we will discuss on points. And what I will do, Helmet, tomorrow early I'll call you. Understood my point? Tomorrow early I will call you, because today some that things came, but we'll do better inside that with the lab. I will explain you. Okay. I'm
you.
sending you this one. This PPT I'm sending to you. Okay. Don't share this
Okay.
PPT to anyone. This is my personal PPT. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. You understood? Everyday classes will be for you up to Sunday also. Saturday, Sunday also I will take your class. Okay.
All right.
Okay, man. Take care. Bye bye.
All right. Thanks. Bye.